Hello students, welcome to class 2. How are you all? I hope you are fine and having a great time with your family. Hello students, welcome to class 2nd. So we have started with a topic that is places around us. So we have learned in the people around us, different type of people who are giving us services, who are helping us in our day-to-day life activities, in our daily activities. Like milkman is there, cobbler is there, policeman is there, doctor is there. They are all called community helpers. So we have learned that. Now we are going to see the places around us. So there are very important places around the environment. Yes, there are important places. So you will find many places like school, bank, hospital, police station, post office, fire station, and market in your surroundings. So these are the places, and these are important places. So there are many important places in our environment. We visit these places for many different purposes. Yes, every day we visit these places. Do you know which are that places? As we have seen the school, about school we have seen that is an important place. And even we have learned what do we do in the school. Yes, so there are many important places in our environment. You are going to find out more important places, like I'm going to tell you few and you're going to find out which are the important places in near your surrounding, near your house. Yes, where you stay. So there are the important places where you visit for different purpose, like you visit to bank, park, hospital. So these are the important places and you are going to find out where they are. Yes, so we are learning about that important places. So first one was about our school. So this is our school. Yes, so what did we learn about our school? Why school is important? What did we learn about our school? This is our school. Yes, every day we come to school. For what purpose we come to school? Yes, this is an important place in our environment near our house. Yes, the area where the school is located, bank, hospital, they are all important places. And we visit these places for many different purposes. So school is also one of the most important places in our environment. So why we go to school? Yes, why you come to school? So the school is one of the most important place in our neighborhood. Yes, because we learn many things in our school. Yes, we learn many things in school. Yes or no? That's why we come to school. Yes, so school is one of the most important place. So why do we go in the park? We go to the park to play. To play, you play with your friends. So same way, you come to school for for what purpose you come to school? So we learn many things. In the school, we learn many things. This we have seen. In school, we learn and gain knowledge. We learn good manners, bad manners, how to share things, different type of activities, how to do, how to solve sums. Yes, we learn Marathi, Hindi, English, EVS. We are learning Marathi, Hindi, English, EVS, even about physical training, PP, physical training we are taking, we are doing different activities, we are doing different type of art. Yes, Talat ma'am is teaching you different type of drawing and painting. Yes, so you are learning many different things in school. In school, we learn and gain knowledge. Even we learn about good manners and bad manners, how to share things with your friends. So we gain knowledge, how to do sums, how to solve sums, how to learn and write. Yes, we learn to read and write. To study about many interesting things and learn various arts. We also play games. We not only study in the school, but we also play games and make a lot of friends in school. Now you're missing your school? Yes or no? You're missing your school. So that's why I've shown you in the image. This is image of our school. So we also play games. We not only study, but we also play games and make a lot of friends in school. Now, today we have learned about one important place, that is school. Now, today in this second important place we are going to see, that is library. In our school only library is there. Library itself is there. You have a library period also. The lib in library period who comes? Yes, the teacher. She is called as a librarian. Yes, the lady who take care of the library is called librarian. This we have seen people around us. In that we have seen a lady who works in the library and who take care of these books is called as a librarian. Yes, so library, what is library? Why do we need library? Not only the school, but also if your mother, father, if your grandmother, they want to read books, but now they are not going to school, so they will not read books. No, so there is a library also near your house surrounding, near your where you stay. There is a library also where you can enroll yourself. Like they have to go and register, they have to pay fee over there, because they are going to take the books from that library, because they are not going school. वो लोग स्कूल नहीं जा रहे अभी. Like your mother, father, if they want to read books, so they will join the library where library is near their house, and they will, how you are going to come to how you come to school. So you have roll number, so same way they will have to write their name over there. They have to pay a small fee over there. Yes, because they are going to take that book. Yes, they are going to take that book, they are going to borrow that book from the librarian. Yes, and so they are going to pay for that a small fee. So library is not only in the school, but also where you stay, where your father, your parents, your grandparents can read the books if they want to read the book. But in the school, you have this library. Yes, and librarian. You have also seen librarian. Who is librarian? The lady who take care of these books of this library is called as a librarian. A library is a place where we find many different books. There are many different books, magazines, and newspaper. Yes, and a library is a place where we find different books, magazines, and newspapers. We can borrow these books for a limited time and for a small fee. Yes, so you can borrow a book from a, you can go to the library, you can tell to the librarian that I want a magazine, I want a story book. So she will give you a book, which book you want. Yes, and if your parents, your grandparents, they want to read, they can join a library where they can take a book from that library for a limited time, like for 1 week, 2 week, and for that they have to pay a small fee. उनको एक fee देना पड़ता है. Yes. So what we learned today, we learned about library. And who works in the library? A lady who take cares of the library, who take care of these books is called as a librarian. See, your librarian is there. And what do we get in the library? Why library is important? A library is a place where we find many different books, magazines and newspapers. We can borrow these books for a limited time and for a small fee. Because now at home, if you can keep 10 books, story books, but if you want to read more story books after 10 books is over and you want more story books, so you can go to the library and you can borrow more story books from the library and you can r- read. Now you have a library period where you read the stories given by the librarian. Yes, you are reading that stories given by the librarian. So library is a important place where we can find many different books, magazines and newspaper. And the lady who is working in the library is called as a librarian. Yes. Now we'll see what we learned. We learned about the important places, that is school. And what do we do in the school? Why school is important? School is one of the most important places in our neighborhood. Why it is important? Because we learn many things. We learn many things. We learn to read and write. We learn to share things. We learn to play games. We learn to do art. Yes, paint, draw and paint pictures. We learn to play games. In school, we learn and gain knowledge, study about many interesting things, and learn various arts. We learn about good manners, good habits. These all things we learn in the school. We also play, we not only study in the school, but we also play games and make a lot of friends in school. And after that, we have learned a second place, important place, that is a library. So we have library in our school, and the lady who works, who take care of the library is called as a librarian. This we have learned in the people around us, one of the community helpers. And in the school, who teach you? In the school, we learn many things. So teacher teaches many things. Yes, teacher in the school, community helpers. In we have learned teacher teaches us many new things about good habits, good manners, how to solve sums, how to do draw and how to draw and paint pictures. So these are all community helpers. They are working at these places and we are learning about the place. So in school we can see community helpers, principal, teachers. Yes. So teacher. Now we have seen a librarian, where librarian takes care of the library. So this is a library and library is an important place. Now we'll write a keyword. So you are going to write with me. On the top of the red line, you are going to write the lesson name. What is the lesson name? On the top of the red line, you are going to write lesson name. Places around us. Write this name on the top of the red line. And write today's date. What is today's date? 10th June 2020. Places around us. This you are going to write on the top of the red line. Now we are going to start with the keywords. Now which are the new words that we came across to this lesson that we are going to write? You are going to write keywords. Yes, places around us, keywords. Now you are going to write today's date. What is today's date? Write today's date. 10 6 20. Write today's date. Now we'll start with the keywords. So which are the new words that we came across to this lesson? The first one is important. Write with me. Important. Important. Yes, write with me. Important. You are going to write in the 4 line book. Touch the blue line and write. Every day you are going to write with me. So this and you are going to send me on my number. So important. What we have written now, first word is that important. Now second word we are going to write, that is environment. 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 The second word we have written environment. Now third. Now what is the third word that we came across? New word, that is visit. 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 Now fourth word. Fourth word is what? Neighborhood. The school is one of the most important place in our neighborhood. Neighborhood यानी हमारे बाजू में. There are neighbors also who is staying near your house. They are called neighbors. In neighborhood means हमारे area में. So neighborhood. You're writing with me. You're going to send this. You're going to write each word 3 times. Now you're going to write with me. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. So we have written now fourth spelling, that is neighborhood. Now we are going to write interesting. We learn many interesting things. So interesting. I and in. Trusting. Interesting. Interesting. Now games. 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 Now which spelling we are going to write? Library. Today we learned this, we already have learned and we have written this spelling also. Now today's new word is what? Library. 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 Yes. Different now. Different. Different. Borrow. Borrow. Now borrow means what? अगर तुम लोग पेंसिल नहीं लाते हो स्कूल में, so what you do? अगर पेंसिल नहीं लाया स्कूल में तो क्या करेंगे? So you borrow from your friend, you take pencil, you ask for your friend, please give me pencil, मुझे एक पेंसिल देना, मैंने आज लाया नहीं, तो उसको बोलते हैं borrow. So borrow, we borrow books and again we return. अगर फ्रेंड ने पेंसिल दिया तो हम घर लेके जाते हैं क्या? नहीं. Again after our work is finished, we should return that pencil to from whom you have taken. So that is borrow. If you're taking that pencil at home, that is bad. You are not going to take that pencil at home. So that is not borrow. If you are going to take pencil, अगर पेंसिल लेने के बाद उसको वापस रिटर्न किया तो उसको बोलते हैं borrow and we say thank you because our friend has given us pencil. After borrow, what we are going to write? Limited. Limited यानी क्या? how you have period, कंटिन्यू फुल डे यू हैव अ स्कूल, नो। तो हमें एक पीरियड टाइम दिया रहता है, उसी टाइम में हम लोग स्कूल जाते हैं। हम लोग कभी भी स्कूल जाते हैं क्या? नहीं, हमें टाइम दिया रहता है। अभी भी ऑनलाइन में हम लोग को एक टाइम टेबल दिया है, तो उस टाइम में ही ईवीएस पीरियड होता है, मैथ्स होता है, तो उस टाइम में ही हमको ऑनलाइन आके उस पीरियड को देखना है। Yes, afterwards you can see if you are busy now, if you don't have mobile with you, afterwards you can watch that but in school, when school will start, तो उसी टाइम में स्कूल आना है, या हमारा मन करे तभी आना है स्कूल, नहीं। After limited, what we are going to write? Games. Games, games. So what we have written? Games. After that, we are going to write arts. 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 Now this you are going to write the spellings, each spelling three times. So you are going to practice all the keywords, hard words that I have given you three times, and you are going to send me on my WhatsApp number. Yes, I'm going to check. You have to write this in the four-line book. You are going to touch the four blue line in a good handwriting. You are going to write it. You are going to write today's date. You are going on the top of the red line. You are going to write the heading. What is a heading? Places around us. Yes, and then you are going to write keywords. So whatever keywords I have given you, that you are going to write three times and you are going to send me. This is your homework. Three times. Each word you are going to write three times. So you are going to send me. I'm going to wait and do all the assignments given to you. Yes, and you are going to send me these keywords. So keep on practicing. Go through this video again. We are going to see more important places in next period. Yes. Till then, goodbye. See you tomorrow.